Hi guys, today we'll be discussing about our project 2 and the project 2 is based on Astro on Demand 2.0. This app is given more specific and more advanced version. So we are going to talk about how we put our hard work into this and made it to achieve that state. Now before we jump into anything, we'll start with our board members. First we have Kaileshwaran, second we have Sashi Verma, and third we have myself Jay Sharman, and fourth we have Parinder. And well, let's jump into introduction. Astro On Demand 2.0 is a movie rental and streaming application development using Visual Basic.net and connected to a Microsoft SQL Server database. This system allows users to register, search for movies, and make payments while admins can manage movies. The project was built to simulate a real-world on-demand movie platform with a complete end-to-end system for both users and administrators. Now let's go for the program demonstration. Are you guys ready? Now for my part, I'm going to explain about the ERD diagram. This diagram illustrates the database structure of our system. It shows relationship between key entities such as users, movies, payments, and subscription, providing a clear view of how data is organized and connected. And for the next slide, I'd like my fellow teammate Parinder to explain about it to you guys.
Hi everyone, very good morning. I am Parvendra. Now I would like to continue our presentation. Flowchart. Overall logic of our system in a structured flow. It outlines the sequence of action, decision, and processes taken from user interaction to system response, helping visualize the core functionality of our Astro On Demand 2.0. Next, wireframe, the visual layout and design of our application interface. The wireframe helps us map out user interaction, screen element, and navigation flow to ensure the smooth and intuitive user experience. Message box. We use message box to show alert, confirmation, and error message. For example, when a booking is successful, the message box will be notified to user. Well, to end my part of our presentation, this is my last slide. Selection and division making statement. Division making logic such as else, if, else, and select case were implemented to handle choice like room type, checking if date are valid, and confirming ability before booking. This statement help the system make the right decision based on user input.
Hi, I'm Kailaswaran and I would like to continue this presentation. First, I would like to start with the database program. Our system is connected to SQL Server database. We created tables such as user, cards, admins, and movies. The VBNet program uses SQL queries to insert, retrieve, and update records. We also use proper connection string and handle data securely. After that, we also add some validation controls as you see in the image. Validation you ensure that the data entered by users is correct. For example, the system check if all required fields are filled. Dates are in the correct format and no special characters are entered in name fields. This prevents errors and improve data quality. And for last, I would like to talk about the exception handling. We implement exception handling using try-catch blocks to manage unexpected errors such as database connection failures or invalid input. This ensures the system does not crash and provides meaningful error messages to the user. In conclusion, Astro On Demand 2.0 successfully demonstrated the development of a complete end-to-end movie rental and streaming system using Visual Basic Net and Microsoft SQL Server. This project not only simulates a real-world on-demand entertainment platform, but also integrates key functionalities such as user registration, admin registration, movie search, payment processing, and admin management. Through this system, we showcase the practical implementation of database connectivity, interface design, and exception handling, provide how VBNet and SQL Server can be effectively used to build a dynamic and functional application. This project reflects our commitment to solving real-world problems through software solutions. That's all from us. Sign off from Astro On Demand. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sharma and I would like to present you about Astro On Demand 2.0, which is my project. Okay, first of all, I'm going to tell you about admin login page, how admin login. Okay, these are my admin login page. If the admin don't have account, he should register for account before he login. Okay, these are my admin registration page. And first of all, you should put username, password, and email. Once you're done, put your information which required. You should register, and once you're done, it will show you you are successfully registered in message box, and you go back to admin login page and you put back your registered password. If you put wrong password, it will show you your password is wrong, invalid password. Okay, once you login successful, it will bring you to admin movie management, which you can add movies, upload, and delete movies. Now I would like to demonstrate it for you. As you can see, I can put I'm putting my movie name and January and price which is 15, and I'm gonna upload a poster. Okay, added successfully. Okay, if I wish to edit, update something new, I can just press and I can just select the movie and update the movie as I'm showing, which you can see I'm changing the genre and price of the movie 15 to 20 ringgit. And once you're done, it will show you your updated, and in the table it also have changes, and I can also delete the movie. Okay, these are our admin movie management form. Now I'm gonna show you our user login. These are our user login form. If the user don't have any account, user should register for account. This is also same as admin forms. And my username is Kaileshwaran and the password is 0008, and I'm putting the email is kailesh@gmail.com. Once you're done, you can just register and it will pop up a message bar which is you registered, and you should log in back for confirmation. If the user accidentally input a wrong password, it will show you the password is invalid. And login successful. Okay, now the user is able to search for movie and add the movies in cart. One user can add maximum 5 movie, can rental 5 movies. Now I'm gonna show you how it works. Okay, I'm searching for Under Paris, and here it goes. I'm selecting the movie, and the poster is pop up, and I'm adding the movie in my cart, and I'm able to add 5 more movies, which is Super Mario and Tamil movies, One Piece, Terminator, and many more. If I don't like the movies, I can clear my card So as you can see, I'm cleared it. Now I'm gonna show you how the payment works. I'm selecting two movies, and these are our payment forms. As you can see, I chose two movie and my payment method, which is touch and go, and I'm gonna rental the movie for 2 days. Once I type in the payment, it will show payment successfully. This is our receipt form, like which shows the receipt, a perfect receipt. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. Hi, my name is Sharma and I would like to present you about. Hi, now I'm gonna show you how our SQL database looks like. Okay, as you can see, these are my server name. Okay, now I'm connecting to the server, and now you can see this is our project Astro on Demand 2.0. Now I'm gonna show you our tables. There are four tables: movie, user, card, and admin. First, I'm gonna show you the admin form. Once the admin done login, done register, his data will be added in this table. So you can see, okay, same goes to the user. I'm going to show you the user table. These are the user table. Okay, once the admin added some movies and in the table, it will directly connect to our database table. And these are the movies that admin added. And finally, I'm going to show you the add to cart. Each time the user add to cart the movies, and it will be pop up in here. Okay. These are our SQL tables. Thank you.